25 centuries ago, Aristotle said, time is the most unknown of all unknown things. And even today, that statement holds just as true. In fact, one of the greatest scientists of recent times, Albert Einstein, called time the greatest illusion. He once said, the distinction between the past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. In space, we can move back and forth between 2 points as many times as we want. But when it comes to time, we can only move forward. We cannot travel back to the past. As time passes, the future becomes the present and the present becomes the past. Today, the whole world measures time based on the Gregorian calendar introduced in the late 15th century. This calendar divides time into units like seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years, decades, and centuries. The Gregorian calendar is based on the movement of the Earth around the Sun. One full rotation of Earth on its axis is called a day, which is divided into 24 hours. Each hour has 60 minutes and each minute has 60 seconds. All these measurements are based on astronomical movements. But in 1967, during the 13th General Conference on Weights and Measures, the second was redefined based on atomic vibrations. It was declared that 1 second is equal to 9,192,631,770 vibrations of a cesium-133 atom in space. For the first time, time was defined in terms of atomic movement, and the atomic clock became the global standard for timekeeping. Interestingly, the Srimad Bhagavatam in Canto 3, Chapter 11, Verse 4 describes atomic time in a much simpler and more spiritual way. It says, Sakala Paramanurvai Yo Bhunkte Paramanutam, meaning the time taken by the sun to cross a single atom is considered atomic time. This same chapter goes on to describe time units systematically. 6 atoms form 1 Trasarenu. 3 Trasarenus create the time called Thruti. A few Thrutis make a Veda. 3 Vedas make a lava. 3 lavas equal 1 Nimesha. 3 Nimeshas make 1 Kshana. 5 Kshanas make 1 Kastha. 15 Kastas form 1 Laghu, which is about 2 minutes in modern time. 15 Laghus make a Danda, and 2 Dandas make 1 Muhurta. 30 Muhurtas make 1 day and night. 15 days make 1 Paksha, and 2 Pakshas make 1 month. Interestingly, 1 month on earth equals 1 day and night in Pitraloka. 2 months make a season, Ritu, and 3 seasons make 1 Ayanam, the time it takes the sun to travel from north to south. 2 Ayanams form 1 year, Samvatsara. 1 human year equals 1 day and night of the demigods, because time flows slower in the higher planetary realms, something we have explained in detail in our video on special relativity. Generally, a human life spans about 100 years, but even this is just a tiny fraction in the cosmic timeline. 360 years of human beings is 1 year of demigod, and 12,000 divine years make up 1 Mahayuga, which includes Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and Kali Yuga. 71 Mahayugas make 1 Manvantara, and 14 Manvantaras form 1 Kalpa, which is 1 day of Lord Brahma. Thousands of Kalpas together make 1 lifetime of Lord Brahma, which is just 1 breath of Mahavishnu. Many such lifetimes of Brahma have already passed, and many more will come and go. That's how vast and powerful time truly is. But what is time really? The Srimad Bhagavatam tells us, Sanstana Bhuktya Bhagavan Avyakto Vyakta Bhuk Vibhuhu. Time is the invisible power of Lord Hari that controls everything in the visible world. Impersonal time is the instrument of creation, maintenance, and destruction in this universe. Scriptures describe 2 kinds of time: absolute time, which is unaffected by motion; relative time, which changes depending on the motion of objects. So far, modern science has only discovered relative time, According to the Vedas, time combines with the elements of matter to create the amazing world we see around us. Time is the most powerful energy of the Supreme Lord. There is nothing in this world that time cannot destroy, not even the most brilliant scientists or the most powerful nations. That's why the most intelligent person is one who uses their time wisely. And the best use of time is to spend it chanting the holy names of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.